Hello and welcome to Enterprise University. In the first part of this exercise, we will learn how to set up email accounts for Enterprise email. We can set up corporate and personal email accounts that works with POP3 email servers. Enterprise email will support SMTP and HTTP servers in the future releases. We can also set up email accounts for an individual or a team. In this exercise, we will simulate a creation of email accounts using accounts from a free email service. To create a new email account, go to the System Manager module, click on the Accounts option. If you want to set up email for other users, click on the All Accounts option. If we want to set up for ourselves only, click on the My Accounts option. In this example, we will create a new account for the user. Clever hands. We will select All Accounts. Select the user accounts from the list to display the user accounts form. Then click on the Email tab. Click on the New Email button to display the email account wizard. Let's follow the steps in the wizard. We can set up email accounts that work with POP3, IMAP, and HTTP servers. Support for IMAP and HTTP servers will be available in the future versions of Enterprise Suite. We will select POP3 in the first page and click Next to continue. Enter the user account information such as the account name and email address. Then enter the login account or the email username and password. Provide the server information or the addresses of the incoming or outgoing servers. In this example, we will use the information provided to us by the free email service. We can set up under Server Settings by clicking on the More Settings button. The Advanced Settings window will display. We can set up reply email address or authentication settings for SMTP outgoing server. Close the Advanced Settings window to go back to the email account wizard. Click Finish to exit the wizard. In another example, we will set up a new email account for a team. Still in the System Manager module, click on the Accounts menu and select Team. Team search screen will display. Select a team in the list to display the team setup form. Click on the ellipsis button to display the email account wizard. We will follow the same steps we did in the setting up an email account. Enter the user account information such as the account name and email address. Then enter the login account or the email username and password. Provide the server information or the addresses of the incoming or outgoing servers. We can set up under Server Settings by clicking on the More Settings button. The Advanced Settings window will display. We can set up reply email address or authentication settings for SMTP outgoing server. Close the Advanced Settings window to go back to the email account wizard. Click Finish to exit the wizard. Let's look at the email accounts we created. Let's go to the CRM module and click on the Mail menu. The Enterprise Email Client will display. From the toolbar options, click on the Email Accounts menu to display the Email Accounts wizard again. From here, we can create new or manage our existing email accounts. If we have multiple email accounts for one user account, we can select a default email account to use. However, we can still select which account to use when sending email. We can also delete unused email accounts. Note that email accounts that were used cannot be deleted, but we can modify information in the email account. We can create personalized signatures or reuse the ones we already have. To create email signatures, click on the Signatures menu. The Email Signature Wizard will display. Click on the next button to start. On the next page, you will find a list of email signatures. Click on the Add button to create a new signature. Provide a signature name and form email signature in the text editor. We can also copy and paste our existing email signature. Click on Next to continue. Select the email account we will assign the signature to. Click Finish to exit the wizard. When creating new email messages using this account, the signature instantly displays in the message body. Thank you for watching. In the second part of this exercise, we will learn how to set up the email service.